My goal in this video is to show you how to make a mobile provisioning file. This is a part of the necessary steps that you need to take to run an iOS test in Kobiton. Alright, buckle up. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to navigate to developer.apple.com and you're going to go to where it says profiles, and then it'll bring you to this page here. And then you want to toggle where it says iOS app development. Hit continue. And then you want to hit create app ID. And then you want to type in the app description. This could be anything. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to hit for Kobiton. Just going to put that there. And then we're going to go over to the adjacent box, and then you're going to type in com.asterisk. All right, and then you're going to toggle over to wildcard because this is the type of provisioning file that we're making. All right, then we're going to hit continue, and then we're going to hit register. All right, so that first part is done. Now remember that we need to add devices to this, and this is going to be your specific device. So you're going to have to grab the UDID from your device and put it here. This is pretty self-explanatory here. You just have the device name. Here we're going to type in iPhone 11. And then we're going to put in the device UDID and hit continue. And you see register here. So we're going to hit register. And then done. Alright, then you're going to go over to profiles, hit the plus sign up there, iOS app, and now you can go back and now you have an app ID in the drop down to choose the one that you just made. Okay, we're going to go here, then we're going to use the iOS development, and then saying yes, we want that device there. My provisioning name can be anything that you want it to be. It's just going to be your profile name, and you can change this later or do whatever you want to do with it. POC customers, hit it, and then download, and there you have it. You see we have now a mobile provisioning file that we can use as a second step in the process of setting up iOS on Kobiton. Thank you so much.